Talent wants hard work, or it's nothing. Talent. It's a beautiful thing. It's a whisper from God, a quiet gift placed inside you before you even knew who you were. Some people can sing, some can write, some can lead, some can build from nothing. It's natural, it's powerful, but it's not enough. Because talent, no matter how divine, will rot in silence. If you don't honor it, you were given this gift, not to show off, not to sit on it, but to grow it, to multiply it, to serve the world with it. But let's be honest. How many talented people do we know? Who never became anything? The guy who was amazing at football in school, but stopped training. The girl who could draw masterpieces at 12, but stopped believing in herself. The speaker, the writer, the dancer, the dreamer, who never did the work. Talent, without hard work, is like a sword left to rust. Sharp once, but useless now. Because life doesn't reward you for what you're born with. It rewards you for what you build. It's not enough to be gifted. You must become great. And greatness doesn't come easy. It comes with sacrifice. It comes with early mornings, late nights, sore muscles, and silent progress. It comes when you keep showing up, even when the results don't. Because talent is the starting line, but hard work is the journey. God gave you something special, but He's watching to see. What will you do with it? Will you bury it? Will you hide it behind excuses? Will you say, one day, and then let life pass you by? Or will you honor that gift? With discipline, with fire, with full commitment. The world is full of wasted potential. Don't let your name be added to that list. Someone out there, with less talent than you, is waking up earlier, working harder, failing, learning, trying again. And they will win. Not because they were better, but because they refused to waste the little they had, while you sat on something greater and did nothing. So don't make excuses. Don't pray for miracles if you won't move your feet. Don't say, I wish. Say, I will. Talent is a gift from God, but hard work? That's your gift back to Him. So train it. Fight for it. Fail with it. Rise with it. And when the world sees you shine, let them know. This didn't come from luck. This came from honoring my gift with everything I had. Because talent wants hard work, or it becomes nothing at all.